Hi, my name is Eric Jan Concepcion and I'm from Lawaan Street, San Jose, Rodriguez, Rizal. I recently graduated from Mapua University where I developed a strong passion for physical education and sports. My objective is to major in physical education at Mapua University. I am eager to deepen my understanding of physical fitness and contribute to the development of effective sports and wellness program. I completed my college education at Mapua University, where I focus on courses that strengthen my foundation in physical education and health. Although I have not yet completed an internship, I have actively participated in various sports activities and school events, gaining hands-on experience in organizing and leading physical activity. I possess strong community and leadership skills which I believe are essential in guiding and motivating students. Additionally, I have a solid understanding of physical training technique and first aid procedure. My dedication, determinism, and passion for physical education make me a perfect fit for this field. I am commit My dedication, enthusiasm, and passion for physical education make me a perfect fit for this field. I am committed to promoting health and fitness among students. I have participated in several workshops on sports leadership and wellness, which have equipped me with the knowledge and skill necessary for this field. During my time in college, I received award from active participation in sports event and was recognized from my leadership qualities in organization school activities. I choose Mapua University because of its excellent reputation and commitment to pursuing well-rounded graduates. The university facility and experience faculty make it ideal place for me to pursue my passion. Mapua University should accept me because I am a dedicated, passionate, and eager to learn. I bring strong work ethic, love for sports, and desire to contribute positively to the university community. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to contribute to Mapua University as a physical education major.